Puro sila excited for.
May mga mensahe ka sa iyong mga supporters, families, friends?
I just want to say thank you to all my supporters, family, and friends. Thank you so much.
Okay. Ano nga curriculum ang imo na represent? Ano nga curriculum?
Curriculum number 11.
Grade 11! Anak
Okay.
niya po ang supporters,
Hindi
ma'am.
ka na
Boy.
pagpaduga yun.
Yes. Go.
Here is your question. If Tumangas National High School could write a new chapter in its ongoing story, what would be the most impactful lesson it could impart to its students to ensure a harmonious
In its ongoing story, what would be the most impactful lesson it could impart to its students to ensure harmonious and progressive future? Together at 25, one school, many stories.
Thank you for that question. Together at 25, one school, many memories. Remind us that every student, teachers, staff, and alumnus has great experience and shared to our journey. For me, this theme shows how our school has grown, not only in years, but also in countless memories, lessons, and friendship that shape who we are today. In my opinion, what makes our school special is the unity despite diversity, values of excellence, service, and resilience. That is the true story of our school at 25. Many voices, one spirit, and a lasting impact on every life it has touched. Thank you.
Alright. Congratulations.
Napatalon si Ma'am Christy.
Rick, kamusta ikaw, Sir Permo? Ano, Permi lang siya. Thank you so much. Okay, Ma'am Lorge.
So while our tabulators are tabulating the results,
Hindi ka na makanto.
makuha ko sang listahan as ang donors. Give a certificate to our board of judges. May we request our principal, Sir Gary Hamili, to please do the honor in giving the certificate to our judges. Also, we will